Life Steps Early Head Start in Black Hawk High School. Love a good old-fashioned high school marching band, huh?
Looks like it's almost over.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up with the fire trucks.
Yeah. I just wish
Hey, who's that guy singing?
Wait, so much.
Hey!
This is definitely not more than Halloween, but like candy.
Look at him. A little too early to be drinking, but that's okay. It's the 4th.
It's not even close.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it's okay.
What happened?
Logan almost got welled.
Me?
It's up. Thank you. Oh, it's about to get loud. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Nice car. Love it. Love that. That's nice. Thank you. I'll take the mint. You know I like the mint. I'll eat the mint. I'll eat it. Hello. Lincoln Park. Lincoln Park Performing Arts Center. That's a nice convertible. I'll take that. Thank you. Nothing says 4th of July like a tractor.
Huh? There's so many tractors. Imagine it only be 5 minutes.
I like that little tractor right
You
there.
know the video's gonna be longer than ever.
It's gonna be like in 4 parts. Look at that tractor. You got a little. Hey, hello. Old Ford truck. Beautiful. Hello.
That's a nice truck.
And what do we got?
Look at the wheels.
Another truck. Thank you. Old truck parade. Old classic truck parade. I like that Chevy right there. This is the loud part of the parade. Very loud.